top 10 list of natural basic foods to eat and lose weight fast. A natural weight loss remedy that does not require a person to follow a detailed plan or buy expensive prepackaged foods is usually the best. There are several basic foods that will not only help improve our overall health, but also help us lose weight at the same time. The following are 10 foods that people can eat to help lose weight more quickly. 1. Salmon. Oily fish like salmon is incredibly healthy. It is also very satisfying, keeping you full for many hours with relatively few calories. Salmon is loaded with high-quality protein, healthy fats, and also contains all sorts of important nutrients. This nutrient is necessary for proper function of the thyroid, which is important to keep the metabolism running optimally. Salmon is also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to help reduce inflammation, which is known to play a major role in obesity and metabolic disease. 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables include broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. Like other vegetables, they are high in fiber and tend to be incredibly fulfilling. They are not as high in protein as animal foods or legumes, but they are high compared to most vegetables. A combination of protein, fiber, and low energy density makes cruciferous vegetables the perfect foods to include in your meals if you need to lose weight. They are also highly nutritious and contain cancer-fighting substances. 3. Eggs. Eating foods high in protein is a great way to burn fat, and especially those types of proteins found in eggs. Protein in egg yolks can stimulate the release of a hormone called glucagon. This hormone can help burn fat, in particular belly fat. Some studies have even found that people who eat eggs do not have any higher cholesterol than those who eat bagels regularly. Eggs are also incredibly nutrient-dense and can help you get all the nutrients you need on a calorie-restricted diet. Almost all the nutrients are found in the yolks. 4. Salsa. Salsa is technically several foods mixed together, but it can aid in weight loss in so many ways that it's worth mentioning. The primary ingredients in most salsas include tomatoes, onions, and some type of peppers. Each of these veggies is loaded with a variety of nutrients and are great for losing weight. Salsa is also water-based, which is healthy and keeps you full. The important thing about eating salsa is to make sure and dump the greasy chips and pair this healthy snack with other great options. Use salsa on salads and veggies instead of high-calorie dressing. Salsa is also a great topper on most types of meat, especially chicken. 5. Grapefruit. One fruit that deserves to be highlighted is grapefruit, because its effects on weight control have been studied directly. In a study of 91 obese individuals, eating half a fresh grapefruit before meals caused weight loss of 3.5 pounds, 1.6 kilograms, over a period of 12 weeks. The grapefruit group also had reductions in insulin resistance, a metabolic abnormality that is implicated in various chronic diseases. So, eating half a grapefruit about a half hour before some of your daily meals may help you feel more satiated and eat fewer overall calories. 6. Leafy greens. Leafy greens include kale, spinach, collards, Swiss chard, and a few others. They have several properties that make them perfect for a weight loss diet. They are low in both calories and carbohydrates, but loaded with fiber. Eating leafy greens is a great way to increase the volume of your meals, without increasing the calories. Numerous studies show that meals and diets with a low energy density make people eat fewer calories overall. Leafy greens are also incredibly nutritious and very high in all sorts of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This includes calcium, which has been shown to aid fat burning in some studies. 7. Yogurt. Yogurt is full of probiotics, a particular type of bacteria that may help limit the amount of fat that your body absorbs. Probiotics are good bacteria that helps get rid of the bad stuff in your intestinal tract. The amino acids in yogurt help burn fat, while the calcium tells your fat cells to get rid of cortisol, which is a hormone that may cause belly fat to increase. Just make sure to choose full-fat yogurt. Studies show that full-fat dairy, but not low-fat, is associated with a reduced risk of obesity and type 2 diabetes over time. Low-fat yogurt is usually loaded with sugar, so it is best to avoid that stuff like the plague. 8. Soups. Meals and diets with a low energy density tend to make people eat fewer calories. Most foods with a low energy density are those that contain lots of water, such as vegetables and fruits. But you can also just add water to your food. By making a soup, some studies have shown that eating the exact same food, except made in a soup instead of as solid food, makes people feel more satiated and eat significantly fewer calories. 9. Boiled potatoes. Potatoes contain an incredibly diverse range of nutrients, a little bit of almost everything we need. They are particularly high in potassium, a nutrient that most people do not get enough of and plays an important role in blood pressure control. On a scale called the satiety index, that measures how fulfilling different foods are, white, boiled potatoes scored the highest of all the foods tested. What this means is that by eating white, boiled potatoes, you will naturally feel full and eat less of other foods instead. 10. Tuna. Tuna is another low-calorie, high-protein food. It is lean fish, so there is not much fat in it. Tuna is popular among bodybuilders and fitness models who are on a cut, because it's a great way to keep protein high, with total calories and fat low. If you are trying to emphasize protein intake, then make sure to choose tuna canned in water, but not oil.